Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to automate reminders on monday.com. First, open your web browser and go to monday.com. On the homepage, enter your email and password to log in. You can also continue with your Google account by selecting Continue with Google. If you choose to log in with Google, select You wish to use and click Continue. If you prefer to log in with another account, enter your email, full name, and other details. Then enter your account and click Continue. Upon logging in, you may be prompted to provide information. Select what brings you to monday.com, such as managing projects. Next, select what you'd like to manage first. Choose from here. Then choose what you would like to focus on initially. This will help monday.com tailor your experience. You might be asked how you heard about Monday. Just provide the relevant information. If you're setting up a team account, enter the email address of other team members. Give your board a meaningful name that reflects the purpose of the project. Select the relevant columns for your board, such as a name and other details. Choose a view layout that suits your workflow. Add tasks to your project by entering task details. To automate reminders, turn on the relevant automation. This includes setting due date reminders or status change notifications. Click on Get Started to complete the setup. To configure a specific task, click on the three dots next to the task and select Settings. Here you can check various settings and options. Next, click on Automate to set up automated workflows. You can create custom automation rules to trigger reminders. For calendar-related reminders, click on the calendar icon next to the task. Set the due date and reminder preferences according to your needs. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.